Want to turn your passion for writing into a steady income stream? Imagine making money even while you sleep. Sounds great, right? Welcome to Moneymaker. In today's video, I'll reveal the top platforms where you can sell your ebook and start earning passive income right away. Stick around to discover the best options that can help you reach a global audience and maximize your profits. Importance of selling ebooks. These days, ebooks have become extremely popular because they offer unmatched convenience and accessibility. People can read them anytime and anywhere, whether they're at home, on the go, or traveling. With just a smartphone, tablet, or computer, anyone can access a vast library of books with a few taps or clicks. This ease of access is one of the main reasons why ebooks are in such high demand, making them a great choice for writers looking to reach a global audience. Passive income. The best part about selling ebooks is the opportunity to build a sustainable passive income stream. Once you've written and published your ebook, it continues to generate income for you with every sale, whether you're actively working on it or not. This means that after the initial effort of creating and launching your ebook, it essentially works for you 24/7, earning money even while you sleep. It's the kind of income that can keep flowing in long after you've finished your work, making it a powerful tool for anyone looking to earn passively. Top platforms overview. The top platforms where you can sell your ebook. There are several options available, each offering unique features that can help you reach your audience. In this section, I'll walk you through the pros and cons of each platform so you can make an informed decision on which one is the best fit for your ebook. Whether you're looking for a large marketplace, more control over pricing, or a platform with low fees, there's something out there for every writer. Discussion of each platform. Let's take a closer look at some of the top platforms where you can sell your ebook. Amazon KDP. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. KDP is the largest ebook marketplace in the world, with millions of potential readers. One of the biggest advantages of Amazon KDP is its wide reach, as it gives you access to a massive global audience. You can earn up to 70% royalties on each sale, which is an incredible deal. However, the competition is intense. So to stand out, you'll need to make your book appealing and invest time in promoting it effectively. Kobo Writing Life. Next up is Kobo Writing Life. Is a great platform for authors looking to reach an international audience, especially in Canada and Europe, where it has a strong presence. This platform allows you to upload and sell your ebook globally, offering the flexibility to set your own prices. One of the advantages of Kobo Writing Life is that you keep control over your royalties, which are competitive and can reach up to 70%. It also provides detailed analytics, helping you track sales and understand your readers' preferences. While it doesn't have the massive reach of Amazon, its international exposure makes it an excellent choice for authors aiming to sell their ebooks beyond the US. If you're targeting readers in regions where Kobo is popular, this platform can be a great way to grow your audience. Gumroad. Gumroad is a user-friendly platform that allows authors to sell their ebooks directly to their audience, making it a great choice for those with an existing following or niche market. One of the main benefits of Gumroad is its simplicity. It doesn't require any setup fees or complicated processes. You can upload your ebook and start selling right away. The platform only charges a small transaction fee per sale, allowing you to keep most of the profits. Additionally, Gumroad offers features like customizable product pages, the ability to offer discount codes, and the option to bundle your ebook with other digital products. This direct-to-audience model works especially well for authors who want to build a personal connection with their readers and have more control over pricing and marketing. Sellfy. Sellfy is a versatile platform that allows authors to create their own customizable online storefronts to sell ebooks and other digital products. With Sellfy, you can easily set up a professional-looking store without needing any technical expertise. It offers features like instant downloads for your customers, which makes the buying process seamless. You can also use Sellfy to manage pricing, track sales, and even run promotions with discount codes. Additionally, the platform integrates with various payment processors like PayPal and Stripe, giving you flexibility in how you receive payments. While there are fees associated with different subscription plans, Sellfy provides an all-in-one solution for authors who want more control over their branding and sales process. It's an excellent option if you're looking to build a dedicated space for your products and create a more personalized experience for your readers. Payhip. Payhip is a straightforward platform designed to help authors sell digital products like ebooks directly to their customers. One of its main benefits is its simplicity. Getting started is easy and you don't need any technical skills to set up your store. Payhip allows you to set your own prices and provides tools to offer discount codes and promotions, which can help boost sales. The platform charges a small transaction fee, but it's a cost-effective solution for authors looking to sell without worrying about monthly subscription fees. Payhip also offers robust analytics to track your sales and understand customer behavior. Additionally, it supports multiple payment gateways, making it convenient for both you and your buyers. Overall, Payhip is an excellent choice for authors who want an easy-to-use platform with low upfront costs to sell their ebooks and other digital products directly. Smashwords. Smashwords is an aggregator that distributes your ebook to major retailers like Barnes & Noble, Apple Books, Kobo, and many others. This means you can reach a much wider audience without having to upload your ebook to each individual platform. Smashwords allows you to set your own pricing and gives you the flexibility to offer promotions, discounts, and even coupon codes. One of its main advantages is that it handles the distribution for you, which saves time and effort. While Smashwords takes a small commission, it offers global distribution with minimal work on your part. The platform also provides detailed sales reports, helping you track your progress and optimize your marketing. If you're looking to get your ebook into a variety of stores and reach a broader audience, Smashwords is a great choice. Visme is primarily a design tool, but it also provides a great option for authors looking to create visually appealing and professional-looking ebooks. While not a direct marketplace for selling ebooks, Visme allows you to design stunning ebooks with interactive elements, infographics, and multimedia, which can enhance the reading experience for your audience. It offers a wide range of templates and customization options to help you craft an eye-catching ebook that stands out from the competition. Once your ebook is ready, you can download it in various formats like PDF, or share it through a direct link to your readers. If your focus is on creating a visually rich ebook that captivates readers, Visme is an excellent tool to help bring your ideas to life before you sell them on other platforms like Amazon or Gumroad. So those were some of the top platforms where you can sell your ebook. Each platform has its own unique features and benefits, which means you need to choose the one that aligns with your goals. Whether you want global reach, more control over pricing, or the simplicity of direct sales, there's an option for everyone. Take the time to explore these platforms and choose the one that fits your needs best to start earning passive income from your ebook. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, share it with others who might find it useful, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips on making passive income.